Okay, now let's see this question. This question came in GATE 2014 for 1 mark. The question is, consider tree arcs of BFS traversal from a source node W in an unweighted, connected and undirected graph. The tree T formed by the tree arcs in a data structure for computing this. Okay, so they are saying that when we do a BFS traversal from particular node W, so let's say the graph is, let's say, something like this. Let's say there are 5 edges, something like this. Okay, this is A, B, C, D. These are the names of the nodes. Okay, and let's say this is W. So we are talking about W is equal to A. So when we are doing traversal from W, then they are saying that when we complete the BFS traversal, then whatever the BFS traversal uh, tree is formed, so BFS tree is formed, and whatever the nodes are there, they are called the tree arcs of that BFS traversal. So that is going to be something like this. So from here we will start and do BFS traversals, then it will be something like W or A, you can say here, and then we will go to its nearest neighbor, so it will be C and B. Okay, and then we are going to take any of the first level neighbors, and then we are going to do traversal of next level. So it can be something like this. Let's say we are choosing B first, then it is going to be this. So this is going to be the BFS tree, and all the edges, they are the tree arcs of this BFS traversal. They are talking about the tree T. So this is tree T. So what does this tree T represent? And they have given the 4 options, and they are asking what does tree T represent. The shortest path between every pair of vertices. So this is clearly wrong, because you can clearly see that C to D, here the shortest path in this graph is 1, but here 1, 2, 3. 3 is the shortest path. So definitely this is not going to give us this thing. Okay, so this is wrong. Now those of you who have read BFS traversal, they must be knowing that if the graph is unweighted, okay, and undirected, then obviously it is connected, then what is going to happen, that such a BFS traversal from any node actually gives the shortest path from the source vertex to every other vertex. You can clearly see that from here A to B, whatever is the shortest path, or A to C, whatever is the shortest path, that is the same shortest path in the given BFS traversal in BFS tree. Okay, so we can also see that, okay, A to D, if we have to go, then the shortest path is 2. See, 1, 2, or here also you can see 1 or 2, and you can clearly see that here also the path length is 2. So it clearly gives the shortest path between A and D. So this option, shortest path from source vertex W to every other vertex in the graph, is basically correct. And we can see that other options are wrong. So the shortest path from W to only nodes that are leaves, that is not the case, because it is also giving shortest path for B, here you can see, which is not a leaf. So this is also wrong. And the longest path in the graph, it is also wrong, obviously. So the correct answer is B, the shortest path from W to every vertex in the graph.